this is a little bit more intricate, I guess, because you're using everything that I've talked about so far to create camera dynamics. Isolation. So we have these shots that typically, if you want to tell a story, you want to make someone feel sad, isolated, lonely, these type of feelings, I usually go for these wide shots. These are all shots from my music videos that I've shot, where there's narrative inside of it. A guy sitting outside. We're looking from the outside in to him sitting alone in the diner. This scene in particular, someone left him at the table and he's sad about it. His summer fling is over. For context, so we shot this scene from the outside to feel like, we're watching something. We're watching him be sad and he's alone, completely alone. If we were to change this shot and be inside with him, it might mean something else. It might feel different because we're right beside him. But because we're allowing him to be alone, far away from frame, we're giving him that isolated look. Down here we have power shifts. This is one of my favorite things because even in like one small room, this is shot in a hotel room in Scarborough. And we basically just had a power dynamic between the artist, Romeo Wilson, looking down on the model. In that scene, basically they're coming out after a robbery gone wrong, and he gets mad at her. The next scene, he's in regret. She's on top of him. She's looking down towards him, which creates this power struggle, right? It means that instead of him being in control, she's more in control. And then over here, they're on the same eye line. So when they're on the same eye line like this, it really just means that they're on the same level. They're both smiling in this scene. They're both counting money. So these are just elements that you can use to do storytelling.